Hi everybody, I'm Scott Engle. I'm the brand representative for the Morgan Motor Company here at Flemings Ultimate Garage in Rockville, Maryland. Hopefully you've been following our posts and our YouTube videos on the arrival of the new Morgan Super 3s that we just got in. I'm going to take you on a little special test drive today and go for a ride. So a few technical highlights. This is an all-aluminum brand new design. This features the Ford 1.5 liter inline 3-cylinder engine, normally aspirated, produces about 118 horsepower, which might not sound like a lot, but when the car only weighs 1,400 pounds, this little buggy flies. A couple things. This one is done in the sport green with the contrasting matte finish side blades. You can build your own bespoke model at the Morgan website, and I can help you design your own one-of-a-kind vehicle too. So let's get ready to go for a ride. We're going to go through all 5 gears and we're going to enjoy this ride right now. If you want to discuss how I can help build one of these unique cars just for you, or if you want to come in and see one of the several that we have in stock, I can be reached at 301-816-1000, or feel free to build a custom model. Morgan will send it right over to me and I can call and discuss getting you one of these great cars.